So hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I am going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to use LinkTree Shop, an amazing feature that lets you showcase and sell your favorite products all in one place. Whether you are an influencer, creator or just someone with a lot of links to share, this will help you keep everything organized, from affiliate links to your own products. So let's get it started, but before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comment. So first of all, you have to head over to the linktree.ee. You can see this site here. Just search for it and get started with it. Now tap onto this option at the top right corner, sign up for free. Tap onto sign up free to create your account. Now enter your email address and click continue from here. Also, you can continue with your Google account and Apple ID if you wish to. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just going to use it. Now let's tap on to continue after it logged in. Okay, so that's it. Then you can see this option, like you can add links now from here if you wish to add links into LinkTree. Okay, wait until the page loads completely. It's taking a little bit extra time, I don't know why. You have to create a username if your desired username is taken. Okay, and you can try a variation, for example, etc. Okay, you can just choose it. So once you are inside the link tree, as you can see right here, click the profile icon at the top left corner so that you can upload your profile photo or logo from here. Okay, you can create new link tree if you wish to. You can add your social links like Instagram, TikTok or YouTube. Just paste the full URL, instagram.com, like your Instagram ID name, and you can toggle it on. So you can go to account. Let's go to account, and you can upgrade to pro if you wish to. Like as you can see, I'm on plan free. Here you can see a lot of options. So for example, let me show you the pricing of linktree.ee. As you can see, this is the linktree.ee pricings. As you can see, they offer 3 packages. The starter package is $4 a month. Pro one is 7.50, like $7.50 a month, and the last one is $9.50 a month, which is almost $20. Let's start with the starter one, where you can use personalized link tree. You can use unlimited links, like you can add it, and multiple designs styles. You can make money, lower seller fees, like it is 9% fees. You can boost your earnings on your digital products and courses. So now let's say you want to use pro one. This offers you can remove linktree logo and customization. You can use deeper customization, including fonts. You can make money from it, like lower sellers 9% fees, as same as the starter package. But in the pro one, you can also use social planner, like social media scheduling. You can auto publish your posts across all major social networks with the help of AI. And automated Instagram DMs, like auto insert tool. You can boost engagement and drive sales through Instagram auto replies. Okay, so this is how you can use it. Also, you can use a premium one if you wish to. They offers also the same some features like the other ones, and you can use comprehensive analytics, all time and always available. You can also make money. There is no seller fees in it. Every dollar in sales goes into your bank account. And you can use linktree affiliate shop. You can sell merch and affiliate products with no transaction fees. And business and team tools, like unlimited social posts. You can set up to scale with unlimited posts across 3 brands. You can use optional add-on team tools, team chat, collaboration and approval workflows, unlimited Instagram DMs, and Also get priority supports on concierge onboarding. So that was all about their pricings, and you can compare all features from here if you wish to. So as you can see, we can use it like this, compare it like this. So now let's go back, and here you can see this shop section from the left hand menu. You can click on to add product to start adding your item. Right from here, simply tap on to add product, and from there you have to choose your collection or product. You can add a product to your shop, also organize products into collection. So let's tap onto it. You can name the product. For example, I'm going to choose loads, and then tap on to continue, and now you can explore them. You can paste a link from here, you can add products from here, the night routine, and then you can also add this. Now let's tap on to continue. Now if you want, you can customize them, and then you can tap edit also if you want to add more products. For now this one is enough. I will tell yes. Okay, now let's tap on to save, and there you go, your product is now available to your site. You can also paste your affiliate link if you want it to. Okay, let me check out the link right here. You can share it from here. You can copy the link, and then let's check it out. So here you can see this. You can also shop it if you wouldn't want. You can simply tap onto it. Okay, now you can add it to bag if you want. So this is how you can use them. Let's tap on checkout, and then you can buy them if you want to. You can contact email, you can deliver it to all of this site. So this is it, and let's check out earns from it. Check it out. So here you can see, you can share your expertise with an online course. That means you can create an online course right from here, and then you can sell it. Okay, wait until it loads. You can also sell your digital products, like you can share downloadable content, and then you can sell them. So you can just check it out, all of these options. You can also use social planner, Instagram auto reply from here if you want to. So that was it, and if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.